Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. I get a lot of questions about why do you want to use a dip when doing a U-turn? Well, the simple answer is because it makes everything easier. We want to do this the easiest way possible. Yes, you can make a U-turn, even a very tight U-turn with no dip at all, but why not do it the easy way? That little dip gets that bike in perfect alignment to make the U-turn. It also gives you a little momentum. I'm going to demonstrate that for you in just about a minute. So think of it this way. It's left, right, left all the way. And that dip has to be serious. It has to be an aggressive dip. Now, before I do this for you, I'm going to tell you about this. We've got the Ride Like a Pro book. We have some seconds. Seconds means they sent it to us, we checked them out, and there might be some typos on a page or two. It's not going to hurt anything, but we're going to let you have it for actually half price, $15 to your door. We're going to send it snail mail. It's going to come there the slowest way possible because otherwise we're losing money on the deal. But if you'd like to get one of our Ride Like a Pro books, it also has all the dimensions to the exercises in it, in addition to 180 different pictures showing you step by step what it's supposed to look like. $15, we're going to send it to your door. Now watch this very, very carefully because I'm going to do an aggressive dip, and I'm going to start with a 27-foot U-turn. That's 3 parking spaces. Then I'll do it again, and I'll narrow it down to about 18 feet. Watch carefully. That was about 24 feet or so. 3 parking spaces, 27 feet. I'll show you an 18-foot turn using the dip. I'm doing it right here for you. Get that head around. One more time. The dip makes everything easier. Remember, let's do it the easy way, not the hard way. Use that dip, it makes the U-turn much easier. Until next week.